Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovi's. Today I'm going to talk about world's most potent and valuable Ayurvedic herb. This herb is beneficial in all age groups, be it a newborn baby, people in their teenage or old age. It has excellent result. There have been tons of studies done on this particular herb which proves that this is the most potent herb. Today I'm going to talk about Guduchi. Guduchi is known as Giloy in Hindi, Gulvel in Marathi and Amrita in Sanskrit. Let us understand what is Guduchi, where is it found, what are the benefits, the dosage, duration, how to consume, what are the parts of this plant that are used for treatment purpose. To have complete information on this topic, make sure you watch this video till the end. What is Guduchi? Guduchi is a shrub which is widely seen in India, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. In Ayurveda, Guduchi is described as a rasayan. Rasayan means such herb which is rejuvenating, which promotes life, which kills disease, which increases Agni, that is digestion, Buddhi, that is intellect, and Bal, which is strength in the body. Basically, it works like immunity booster in the body. In Guduchi, calcium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, copper is present in very high amount. For the treatment purpose, Guduchi roots, leaves and stems are used. Let us understand what are the benefits of this herb. Number one, it's Agni Deepan. It increases digestive strength. We've seen in children, they don't feel like eating food. They don't carry their tiffin or the food to their schools, or they don't eat it time to time. There is somewhere lack of hunger in some children, okay? So in all these cases, once they start consuming Guduchi, they naturally feel hungry, their digestive strength increases, which further leads to nourishment in the body, because whatever food is consumed, it gets properly utilized and absorbed in the body. Number two, it's Medhya. Be it newborn babies for their normal growth, development, height, weight, neurological and other functions, brain tonics are extremely beneficial. So in such cases, Guduchi is combined with Shankapushpi, Brahmi and such Medhya medicines, which makes it an excellent brain tonic. Number three, it's a wound healing properties. 5,000 years ago, Acharya Shushruta, who is the father of surgery, the first surgeon in this entire world, Acharya Shushruta, used Guduchi roots for suturing the wounds, because the roots of Guduchi are very strong and they have wound healing properties. So Guduchi was used 5,000 years ago for the purpose of wound healing. The next one, it's Jwar Agna. More than 90% of the medicines indicated for fever, Guduchi as an essential ingredient. Guduchi is basically known to cool down the temperature of the body. The next one, it's Mehahar. In cases of urinary tract infection and type 2 diabetes, Guduchi plays a major role. In type 2 diabetes, Guduchi is combined with Vijay to reduce the blood sugar level. Shwaskas. In diseases like cough, cold, bronchitis, asthma, Guduchi plays a major role. Amahar. Am means undigested waste product that is produced in the body, which further leads to ajurnata or indigestion, which further leads to major health problems. So Guduchi eliminates all the toxins from the body. Overall, to sum up in one line, Guduchi is an immunomodulator, it is hepatoprotective, it is cardioprotective, anti-inflammatory and analgesic. How to use Guduchi? Guduchi is used in the form of fresh juice, Swaras form, about 10 to 20 ml can be consumed regularly. It can be consumed in the form of powder Guduchi Churna, available in any of the nearest Ayurvedic store, 3 to 6 grams regularly. More potent or an effective form would be in the form of decoction, preparing a decoction and consuming the liquid. So 20 to 30 ml of the decoction regularly. These days, Guduchi tablets, capsules or fresh juice ready-made packets are available in the market, which makes it very handy and very easier to consume. So Guduchi can be consumed in all these forms and one can take all the benefits that this herb offers. Many proprietary medicines have Guduchi as an essential ingredient in it, like the Activate India Pro MF, which works mainly for male and female reproductive system and problems related to it. There's Stolac C Med, which is basically for peace, for all those people who are unable to sleep or who have difficulty while sleeping, or ones who have constantly some or the other thoughts. There's Live C Med, which is a liver tonic. It's a pack of 60 tablet. It works as a liver tonic. So all of these medicines have Guduchi as an essential ingredient. Guduchi plays a major role in these medicines. This was all for today's video. If you have any doubts or questions, make sure you write them down in the comment section. Give us your feedback in the comment section. Like this video. Until next time, from Jovis, thank you so much for watching.